Good afternoon, Amazon patrons. It's April 24th, and it's approximately 5:30 in the afternoon in North Carolina. I just received my luggage that I'm going to open in front of you. It's the first time I've ever purchased luggage, and I'm going on vacation in July, and I needed it. So I'm going to let you experience, hopefully, my excitement over my luggage. Have to be a little patient with me. I'm not very strong in my arms. Of course, I ordered it in purple because that's my favorite color. I think it might be easiest for me, and I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can. I'm going to slide it out this way. That wasn't too bad. It's got nice wheels on it. Looks like they're made good. Oh my goodness. Well, you know, you can store it all together. This is supposed to be 3 pieces of luggage. Well, that was easy. Okay, I see. I'm going to unzip the zippers on this one, and that looks like a nice area to store flat things. If I had a computer, I'd say I'd store it, but I don't have one, but I know I will find a use for that. Oh, this is a nice compartment. Has room for things. Maybe my cords to my phone and hearing sets that you put in your ears to. Wait a minute, they got some plastic in between the zipper. I don't want it to mess up anything, so I have to be a little bit careful. Sorry for the delay. I had no control over this. There we go. I noticed that it does have a handle here on the side for carrying it long ways. Might be good for when you're going to put it on the bed to pack everything. Okay, better cut that off. That's a little string. Usually get stuff like that on something new. Clothes as well. Okay, so it opens this way. Okay, so, oh well. This will be a nice storage area right here for, I hope you can see it, me see, show you. Zips for putting your bras and panties in, and socks. Okay, I know this one's packed upside down, so I gotta remember this, you know. Have to cut this plastic off. And this one has a handle on the top and on the side. And hope you can see this. It has compartments here, just like the big one. Isn't it pretty? I love purple. Same kind of compartment. And I did a lot of research with looking for luggage because I had never purchased any before. And I wasn't even aware that you had to have certain size bags for carry-on, and this qualified. My main reason for purchasing this product was the reviews. Everybody, even if they had a little trouble with their luggage, the company read the reviews, and apparently they aim to have satisfied customers. So they contact the people and let them know how best they could help them. Now this is the smallest one, and I'm not going to open these up again because they look the same, but I will open up the bigger compartment. And they all have this fine, it feels like it's made really good with a zipper to pack, I would say, dainty things or a bag of jewelry or something, or your makeup. And oh, they're lightweight. That's good for me because I have fibromyalgia. And you can lock everything down, and boy, can we hide things in the zipper behind the lining for safekeeping. I want to see how they roll. This is on a linoleum. This is very important, and the wheels really impressed me. I think this is enough luggage for one person to take whatever they need on vacation. And I know as far as my purse goes, I can put the strap around it here, and I won't have to carry it, and probably just needs 2 suitcases for my trip. And I can roll these to be loaded onto the airplane, I don't think, with any problem. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is made by Coolife, and This material feels very sturdy. I think you could even clean it with a soft rag if you wanted to, but I love these extra handles for lifting it, you know, sideways, because that would be the easiest to lift it onto something, and these seem really easy to work. So thank you for watching. I hope it helps you decide on some luggage. But reviews are very important for people, and they tell a lot about a company. So we're gonna see.
This is my first attempt at shooting a video of unpackaging an Amazon item I got today. It's a Coolife Luggage. I got the black with the red. It's the 3-piece set. It was packaged well. Came with the following tags. 2-year warranty. I think, my opinion, is the bottom looks kind of fragile. It's only on with these rivets, but I'm going to take a chance on them because I hate the hard cider suitcases that you have to open all the way up and close together like an egg, and everything on the other side falls down or shifts. So I've always been fond of the soft bags. I wish they made the hard bag like the soft bags with the deep top. Anyway, it's nice and deep. They come nested. They come individually packed. It has the straps inside and the inside zipper pocket. I'm going to see if it'll roll. I mean, it has nothing in it. However, usually roller bags don't do well on carpet. This seems to be doing pretty well. I might shoot another video if this one comes out helpful about rolling the bag with something in it. Not terrible. Here's the thing. It doesn't come up very high, but I'm short. I'm only 5'1", so this height is perfect for me. I don't know if you were a taller person, if this would bother you being at this height, but it comes up to my boob. Anyway, the other two are, you know, the other standard sizes. I don't guess you need to see all of them. Hope this helps. Thanks.
So far, it looks nice. Nails look good. Very nice. Hard to get out of the case. Looks nice. This one works.
our wheels seem to be in working order. Our zippers seem to be good. And small little bag as well. Looks good. So far I'm impressed. We shall see what we look like after our travels.